talking toys. Oh my goodness, we're like...
So let's get started with talking toys!
Let's get started with talking toys.
Alright, gang, we're down here in Hawaii. I got Alana here. Alana, what's up, girl? What's up?
Nothing
So how'd you like to stay in Hawaii, man?
awesome!
That's awesome, Kelly. Like, dude, how you like your stay in Hawaii?
It was
That's awesome. Yeah, so now we're gonna do our Toys R Us in Hawaii, yeah? And after we catch our waves, you gonna catch the wave, girl? We gonna do it?
Yeah.
I got my boogie board. Alana, come over here, girl. Come on now. What you doing? Now let's go. You need to stop messing with the dude. Alright. So we're gonna do our show today called Talking Toys. Kalia, what are we gonna do today?
Talking toys.
Alana, what are we gonna do today?
Talking toys!
Alright. So we're gonna do Talking Toys. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go get situated now. Let's hear. Alright, let's hear. Yeah. Alright, dude, let's go check it out. Boom, 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 boom. Everybody got that kung fu fighting. Do the wild dance. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody was mesmerizing. Come on, get in the picture, girl. I'm there. Everybody was mesmerizing. It was cooler sizing. It was a funky town in a land called Pop Pop. And it kinda called me. And you better not say it all, but it was
Something amazing.
Alright. Hello, this is CUBN, and we're coming at you at
Talking toys!
Yeah! Alright. So our first show today, Talking Toys. We're gonna talk about Alana here's got her first toy today.
This cute little peekaboo. And it can hold your phone. His name is Scout. And he's so cute.
Alana, what kind of toy you got today?
I got this little peekaboo.
It's a gorgeous peekaboo.
And then
What can the peekaboo do?
it can hold your phone.
That's so awesome!
And it can clap like this.
Alana, Kalia,
Wow,
what do you think about a peekaboo?
that's awesome.
That's an awesome peekaboo. Alright, Kalia, what's your next toy?
My first toy is
Okay, Kilia's first toy is a
Dumbo from Disney. He is so cute in my heart. He has a fluffy feather, and you can see it, and he's fluffy. It's Dumbo the elephant.
It's Dumbo the elephant! Awesome Dumbo, as you can see, it's striking a beautiful yellow hat with a beautiful feather! Alright! What else can that elephant do?
It can do this.
It's closing its eyes with its ears. That is so wonderful. All right, Alana, what's your next toy?
My next toy is this cute little baby doll. Is this cute little baby. And I don't know where I got this, but it's really cute.
Tiny bubble. Make me happy.
Baby.
It's a little bald head little baby, and Alana's got the bald baby looking so pretty. And what else? I got some hair in my mouth. All right, go.
Her name is Polka Dot.
It's Polka Dot.
And push me
There's a pretty blue bow. What can it do? Where did you get it? How much did it cost? Where's the clothes? Where's the shoes? The gloves? The hat? It's bald. Where's the hair?
Make me feel fine.
It's a baby. Okay. Now, Kaylia, where's your next toy? That's awesome. All right, what's your next toy? It's a red, funny-looking gingerbread man.
Bear that someone gave me at the hospital. So this bear has love into me and all that kind of stuff. So that's why I love him. It's a bear.
It's a red bear that don't even look like a bear.
Well, I think the hospital gave me this one.
The hospital gave it to her when she was
Not sick.
sick. What was the matter with you? You had a flu? She had the flu, so she got a red doll.
And one day put like this burning thing in my
And they put a burning thing in your
nose,
in her nose,
and then I was starting to cry.
and she cried,
And then
and she got the little teddy bear to stop her from crying. All right, Alana, what's your next? So wait, okay, yeah, you got it from the hospital, so you're cool. Alana, what's your next toy?
And here's a kiss.
All right, we got a little doll here.
Anna, and I got it from Target. It came with a costume, but I didn't want to wear the costume. And she has, and then I didn't brush her hair.
All right, we got a little doll here with a little blue dress and some freckles on its face. What's the name of your doll? Anna. Kaylia, how you like her doll? It's awesome. I can't believe my own eyes. I can't even see my eyes. All right. What's the name of your doll? Anna Banana. Anna Banana? Anna? Alana. That is so awesome. What can Alana do? She can do a flip and then land on her. Lord have mercy. All right, what else can your doll do? That is awesome. All right, Kaylia, what's your next doll? Come on, girl, get your doll.
it's a giraffe, and I forgot his name is Topper. He is a topper when I even do this. With his head, and it wiggles. Okay?
All right, we got Topper here.
Well, Mommy gave it for us.
Mommy gave it for us. So is that all our doll?
Yes.
All right, that's all our doll. All right, the doll is a giraffe, striking little giraffe, it's a small giraffe. It's made out of cotton. Where did you get it? How much did it cost?
Mommy got it. I don't know where she got it.
Mama got it at I don't know where you got it at the store. And how many dolls did you get from the I don't know you got it store?
I don't know.
She does not know where she got the doll. All right. Alana, where's your doll? Her next toy.
Toy is this big giant Mickey Mouse. Well, this is from Disney World, and it has like this little purse and this little candy dress and a bow, and she's really cute.
As you can see in the camera, so her doll is very gorgeous. All right, continue. Explain your doll, man. Hurry up.
It has a cute little purse.
It has a cute purse. It's striking a cute little purse. What style purse is it? Is it Fitchy? Is it Gucci and Fitch? Is it Gucci?
It's candy.
It's candy purse. Hey, where did you get the doll from? Where did you get the doll, man? What? What?
Disney.
From Disney World?
No.
Oh, she got the doll from Disney World. That's right.
Yes.
I tell you, what's your next doll?
My
Get your doll. What's your next doll, girl? Her next doll is we gotta get
from Crayola Experience. This is so cute, so pink, and it says "Tickle Me Pink."
camera, girls. You can't slip it. You slip it, man. Come on, girl. Her next toy is a color crayon.
Crayola Experiment.
She got it from a Crayola experiment. Now, this experiment, how did it go? Did you create the color crayon with chemicals?
No, it was just already stuffed.
It was stuffed with love. Because we all love one another. Ain't that right, Alana? Next doll. What's your next doll, girl? Come on. Put it up here. What's your next doll? As you can see, Alana's got a new doll here.
Cute doll, and it's really cute. It's Doc McStuffins, and I don't know where I think this is from Target, and it's really cute.
It's Duck McPuckins. And it can do what? It can talk, and it has a funny thing on its neck. What is that funny thing on its neck, Apulanana? Lord have mercy with this. Something is tickling my nose. What is it? Alright, what's it? The dog is beautiful. It's got lovely big eyes and beautiful Goldilocks hair. It's got sparkly shoes. And what is this called on her neck? It's a magnifying glass. Kelly, is that a magnifying glass? Or is it Pacifico coat? Is it a specific coat? Oh, it's a Pacific coat, right?
Yeah.
She has a diagnosis. You got something to say? Next dog, Kalia! What's your next dog, girl? Kind of like scooping off the table here. What's your next dog, Kalia?
I have this bunny named Freedom. Freedom. Do you want to get started with the show today? Yes, I want to. Well, this bunny is about passionate, kindness, beautiful heart, and all that kind of stuff.
Kalia is striking a beautiful Garden's Great Bunny. And it's got beautiful red, white, and blue bow.
It's so fat.
And it's beautiful with the ears. And Jake cut it! Something's in my eye. Something's in my eye. As you can see, something's in my eye. Alright, what can the bunny do? That's it. The bunny can The bunny can Alright, what's your next talk? Something wrong with my head. Hurry up with your next toy, Alana, go. Oh, my bad. Alright, for Alana's next toy.
This is a cute little emoji, and I got it from McDonald's, and it's really cute, and it's really lovely in my heart. Emoji.
It's an M-O-P-T.
Emoji.
Now, why they call it an M-O-J? Jay? Now, why did they call that an M-O-J? Jay?
Because it has this little face and they're on messages.
That's because it has a little face and it's on messages. And I know what that meant. Alright! That was quick! What's your name, Kelly? We're about losing the little girl. The little girl is done taking off. Birth the baby! Alright, Kelly, for your next toy is what? Wait, we done. We gotta run away! We gotta run away, people! Alright, Kalana, what's your next toy? Okay, it's a purple toy named what? What's the name of the dog? Oscar the Grouch.
Oscar.
His name is Oscar. Oscar. Whoa, Oscar. Oscar. Alright! That's a beautiful clip-on doll. What does it do? It clips on the shelf. It can do some flips. Alright, people! I'd like to thank you for coming to Toys R Talking Toys. You got wait, no, you don't do that. I'll get your toy. Done talking about the show. Show about the end, ladies and gentlemen. We done here in Hawaii, where we got invited to do a show in Talking Toys in Hawaii because everybody wanted to see this lovely lady right here, Alana, and this lovely lady, Kalia. Alright. Did somebody fart? I think somebody farted. I smell something.
I did.
You farted?
I farted again.
That's not right. I smell a little ham in that. Little ham. Some sausage. A little bit of cheese. And some mayonnaise. It's just not right. Alright, Alana, last words for the show.
My last toy is this cute little.
Oh, that is so cute, this little doll. It's like made out of this little rubber. You know, you can twist it up, flip it, rub it on, and skip it, do stuff like that. Alright, Kelly, you have any last words?
I got one more thing to say.
What you gotta say?
They can do this.
That is so awesome, like anybody can see that. Yeah, dude. Like everybody can see that. Like, what? Alright, Kelly, any last words for Dr. Toy?
No, dude.
No excitement at all. How you feel about being in Hawaii?
Aloha.
You love it?
Aloha, yes.
What did you get to do in Hawaii?
Go in the beach.
That was so awesome. How was the beach pool? It was so awesome. Now, how did you like Hawaii? What did you do in Hawaii? You had to do something. What did you do in Hawaii? Right, she did nothing in Hawaii. But you know, we all.
Give me the hands.
What you do with the mic, girl? You gonna talk? Talk, woman, talk! Talk! Alright, thank you. We got a lot of big kid Leah.
I got something else. Welcome to CUB Unlocked. This is Alana and we are out. And please subscribe this video. Comment down below what toy did you like and did you like Hawaii or not? What the heck? Or Daddy Jordan's special doo-doo pig is doo-doo. I went surfing at